where I want to be. Okay, so this is going to be the second installment of my Project Pan series, I guess. So just in case you don't know, I'm using the Sleek I Divine Oh So Special palette. I'm trying to get rid of it. It's not my favorite palette, it really isn't. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to prime using my concealer all over the lid, and then I'm going to use this flesh colored color, and I'm going to put that all over the lid. So over the past week, I have not had a chance to touch this palette or any eyeshadow or any other makeup product because I had an eye infection. If you guys watch me, then you know this already. So I feel like I'm kind of behind with this palette because I should have been able to get a little bit further than where I am, but certain things can't be helped. I'm gonna go into this shade here. I feel like this pink is just so pale. It's so pale that I'm gonna have to use the other pink alongside it just to bring it out a little bit. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. And you see, I'm like digging into these colors because I just want to pick them up. I want to use as much of it as possible. See, this one comes out a lot better. Maybe that other pink is just a little bit too pale for me.
My juice so soon.
You what?
My juice so soon.
You what?
Jaw.
The jaw?
Yeah.
What do you mean? What are you talking about?
It's swollen.
Listen, just be nice. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Now I'm going to use... Oh, hope I'm not blinding you. Oh no. Anyway, I'm going to use this shade here. And I think I might use this on the lid. Yeah, I think that's what's going to happen today. I don't know if you can hear it, but there's people arguing outside. There's always something going on this road. It's usually at night, but it's like midday. At night, you can be guaranteed that something crazy is going to be happening. Outside, good old London. Oh, I like this shade. This is nice. This is nice. And I'm not using any setting spray, so this coming off and showing the amount of pigment that it is, I'm pleasantly surprised because not all of the shades are like this. That's kind of cute. It's kind of alright. Now I'm going to use the black. Okay, so I'll be back once I've cleaned up and finished my makeup. Okay, so this is the finished look. I decided not to do anything on my lower lashes because I just wanted to keep it bare today because I'm not actually going anywhere. So on to the next look. Okay, so I'm going to be creating another look using the Sleek Oh So Special palette. The past few days I've been doing like the most simplistic look. I've literally just been going in on the crease. I'm going to be using this shade here. Hopefully you can see it. This shade here and this shade here. Just in the crease and just kind of blending it out and leaving the actual eyelid bare. And of course I have already primed using a concealer, and this is just so convenient to create a little bit of dimension on the eyelids without going overboard, and especially if you have to do a very quick look, this is just perfect for that. It's actually been snowing today, this morning. We've had a lot of snow. Well, last week we didn't have any snow, and it actually started to warm up a little bit. And then today it was like, nah son, we're hitting y'all with that snow again. But it hasn't been snowing as hard as it did a few weeks ago. So I'm so glad for that. So now I'm just going to use a little bit of black just in the corner. Okay, so this is the final look. So as you can see, it's kind of like a daytime smoky eye because I'm not doing anything on the lids. But yeah, so this is what I've come up with, and now we're gonna have a look at my progress so far with the palette. Okay you guys, so I just kind of wanted to show you the palette so far. So this shade here, I have definitely been making some progress on. Not so much this one, but it's definitely between these two, and I'm currently working on these two as well. Like I've made a bit of a dent in this one. I need to make a little bit more effort on that one. I have been trying to incorporate these two a little bit more because I was kind of like stuck in this range, you know, quite a bit. So now I'm kind of just working on this section a little bit more, but I am kind of missing the rest of my other palettes too. So I don't know if I'm going to give this one a break for a little while, but I'm probably still going to reach for this one and this one when I'm setting my concealer on my eyelids. But yeah, that's just my progress so far. I'll probably come back and do another video in a couple of months on this. Then you'll be able to see a lot more progress. So in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and put me a notification, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.